Come here. I mean, I feel like it's pretty obvious what's happening here.
Stop. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
After we first met, nothing really happened. Eventually one day you were with Nidhi.
Yeah.
You guys went to Six Flags. And I picked her up from Secaucus Junction. And then we went to get food. After we got food, I was supposed to drop her back off, but before dropping her off to the city, we came to the park.
Yeah.
And then the one thing I hate.
Your lack of meticulously planning things.
Yeah.
But I make up for it because I meticulously plan.
Yeah.
So it works out. Oh my god, I love you. Oh, my baby. I can't believe you did this.
Sorry.
That was okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
It's really hard for me. Everything's super easy for me, you know that, right? So I wasn't gonna let it go without doing it. Talk to your parents, talk to your sisters, and I got everybody involved. There you go. Is this good enough? Okay. She said yeah.
How did you do that?
Oh, it's all these guys.
So Cosmo decides the only way to save his sanity